The 7 sacred chakra sounds. We begin with the root chakra at the base of the tailbone. Lam, lam, lam. We gently rise now to the sacral chakra. Vam, vam, vam. We gently rise to the solar plexus chakra. Ram, ram, ram. The heart chakra. Yum, yum, yum. The throat chakra. Hum, hum, hum. The brow chakra. Om, om, om. The crown chakra. So-hum, so-hum, so-hum. This mantra practice can be done standing, sitting, or lying down. You can play with the volume and the range of your voice, focusing on the vibration as it expands through the tissues, glands, and organs within your body. Beginning at the root chakra. Lam, vam, ram, yum, hum, om, haso. Enjoy.